Hi everyone, welcome to another Maker Monday video from the President James K. Polk State Historic Site. Today we're making some bird snacks. These are a really simple craft that you can make and you can put out in the yard and have fun watching the birds or maybe the squirrels, let's be honest, have a little snack. Perfect activity for Earth Day, which we have coming up on April 22nd. Alright, let's hop into it and see just how easy it is. Alright, there you go. Pretty easy, right? So I've got my ornament here, my bird snack. The yarn that I use for mine, I will mention, is t-shirt yarn. So just another way to be a little bit extra eco-friendly for Earth Day. You can look online for tutorials for how to turn old t-shirts into yarn that you can use for all sorts of different crafts. I will mention too, just while I was making them, I noticed if I did not get enough of the dry ingredients into that gelatin, that took a lot longer to set up. So make sure that you got enough oats and birdseed and everything in there to really kind of soak up that gelatin, and it'll dry pretty quick for you. Alright, if you have any questions, let us know in the comments. If you try these, let us know on social media. We're on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and we also will have another small Earth Day craft for you on Wednesday, so keep an eye out for that. Otherwise, enjoy, have a wonderful week, and we'll see you on Wednesday. Bye.